Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to set up your farm in Croptracker. This will be the first step to getting your account up and running. To start, click on the Farm Manager drop-down menu on your dashboard and select Field Map. The top of this screen shows a list of all the growing areas you have added to Croptracker. Your farm or farms will be organized in a hierarchy, with the topmost level being the name of your organization. Your organization name is your Croptracker account name. Under your organization will be the list of farms in your organization. Farms will be divided into blocks to differentiate the growing areas and crops that you have. Each block can then be subdivided into as many rows as you would like. Below this list is the map of your farm. This is based on a GIS mapping tool which uses satellite imagery of your farm. You can use Croptracker effectively without ever drawing your map, just by using the list above. In this video, we will show you how to organize your farm with the map, but you can follow the same steps without using the drawing tool if you prefer. If you have more than one farm in your organization and they are geographically separated, your map will be quite zoomed out. You can click on the screen near the farm you want to zoom in. To add a new farm, click on the blue Add Farm button in the right corner. On this screen, fill in the name of your farm and select an address. To add a new address, click on the blue Add New Address prompt next to the list headline. A window will pop up for you to fill in your address information. You can optionally add a primary crop type, label, and export code, but it is not necessary here. When you've finished, hit the blue Save button in the top right corner. You'll be taken back to the main field map screen. To add a block to the farm you just created, find your farm on the list and click on the drop-down arrow next to the blue Edit Farm button in the Actions column. You can also get to this screen by clicking the blue Add Block button in the top right of the screen, but you will need to specify the parent farm. To draw your block on the field map, click Draw Polygons. The Polygon tool is easy to use and you can edit any mistakes you make using the Edit Polygons button. You can be as precise or as loose as you want when drawing your blocks, as you can overwrite the calculated growing area generated from the maps. On the left side of the screen, enter the name of the block. Most users put the crop type or variety in the block name. But for ease of reporting, it is best to give your blocks unique names. The growing area will be generated when you draw your maps, but you can override it if you know the exact area of your fields already. Be sure to enter the accurate growing area for your blocks. This will be used to calculate spray and chemical applications, water and irrigation use, and more. Select the crop type and variety from the list. If your crop type is not listed, you can easily add a new variety here by clicking on the prompt next to the list headline. A window will pop up for you to fill in. Under the Planting Details section, fill in the planting date, plant count, and spacing, and row spacing. This information is optional, but is useful as Croptracker can use it to estimate crop yields. You can optionally enter any notes about the planting here as well. When you scroll to the bottom of the map, you can optionally enter more information in the Extended Planting Details section and the Advanced Planting Details sections. When you have finished entering all of your block information, scroll back to the top of the screen and press the blue Save button. You will be taken back to the main field map screen. The steps for adding a row are almost identical, except a row is used to divide up an existing block. To add a row, click on the arrow next to the blue Edit Block button and select Add Row. You can also get to this screen by clicking the blue Add Row button in the top right corner. If you use this button, you will have to specify the parent block and farm that this row belongs to. Use the Draw Polygons tool to draw your row or rows. You can draw multiple polygons and they will all be included within this row. Select the crop type from the left side of the screen and follow the same steps as you did when creating your block. If you need to add a row with a different crop type, you have to create a new row. When you have finished, hit the blue Save button on the top right of the screen and you'll be taken back to the main field map screen. Repeat the steps and add as many rows and blocks to your farm as you need. That concludes our video on setting up your farm in Croptracker. For more information on Croptracker's features, check out the video and knowledge base links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching!